Recording in progress.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Anantex Academy. This is part of our power session, and tonight's module is about emotions. So I'm going to give you some tips, tricks, some background, some insight into emotions, and then we're going to make a plan to turn feelings and emotions into fuel that is going to help and drive us. So the objective is to help members understand the role of emotions that emotions play in shaping the mindsets, the actions, and the outcomes, and how through Ananta X and its community, daily habits can rewire emotional responses into power, productivity, and purpose. Come on, understanding emotions. So emotions, every emotion is energy in motion. Doesn't matter if it's pain, joy, anger, fear. It moves you towards something or away from something. So one day I'll tell my story, but for very long in my life, I was very, very angry. People were literally scared of me for many, many years. And I'm just thankful to my king that I learned this stuff. So people often suppress emotions instead of interpreting them. At Anantex, we teach that emotion is data. It is not a death sentence. The goal isn't to silence emotion. The goal is to master it, to take that emotion and redirect it in your life towards growth, contribution, and freedom. So here's a question. What emotion drives you the most? Is it your decisions or Sorry, let me ask it again. What emotion drives most of your decisions? Is it fear, frustration, or faith? Think about that. My goal in life is to help people to start thinking again. Obviously, there's triggers. So you get external emotional triggers. That's stuff that happens around you. Finances, stress, rejection. There's nothing you can do about that. Nothing. And then we've got internal emotions. Now, these guide your mindset. That's what they do. Either gratitude, faith, or vision. That's internal. Now, you can't always control the world, what happens around you, but you can control and respond to what happens inside of you. So, at Ananta X, we teach us this: when the internal drive, listen carefully, becomes stronger than your external pressure. What God put inside you, that drive, when it becomes stronger than what the world tells you you are or what you can do, success becomes inevitable. When that drive inside of you becomes so powerfully strong, you become a beast. So there's a trap. People who stay stuck emotionally replay the same story over and over and over. They talk about the pain more than the responsibility. People focus on what went wrong instead of what can go right. Listen carefully. They're more focused on what went wrong than what can go right. So pain becomes an identity. That's what happens to a lot of people. And Ananta X, we are helping people to take that pain, that emotion, and turn it into fuel that is going to absolutely drive you, your life, your passion, your dreams, your goals, your family to the next level. Here's a principle. We don't deny pain at Ananta X. We help people to redefine it because through our benefits, the mentorship, the daily community, the Ananta X gives every member a structure that builds confidence, hope, and a practical change. What do I mean by practical change? We are not gunning for the big stuff. Yes, we are. But we do little things every single day that can fuel you towards that. So how do we reignite emotional energy in Anantex? Firstly, it's about belonging. You are not alone. You are part of this ecosystem. You are part of this family. You are always welcome here. If it's on the groups, on the Zooms, on the trainings, on wherever we are, you walk in loud and proud saying, this is where I can belong. It's about action. Our 4-week action program helps people in small bits to replace that emotional paralysis, that emotional pain with purposeful and productive activity. And it's about the benefits. When you go and buy groceries and you save on your coupons, you feel something. I was in the shop the other day and I didn't take the slip and I could kick myself. I had to run in and I had to buy my mom a couple of things, and one of the things was a tin of doom. So, as I was standing in the queue with the stuff in one hand, I had my phone in the other hand, and I quickly logged into my back office. I went to the coupons, click, 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 click. I got my coupon. I got to the till, and I gave the lady the stuff, and she rang it up. I gave her the coupon. She put it into the till, and I got R5 discount. And as I walked away, I said, I did 2 things wrong. Number one, I didn't tell that lady at the counter that I've got something that can change her life. That was the first thing I did wrong. So I'm going to go back there tomorrow. The second thing is I didn't tell the people. I didn't make a quick video or a testimonial, something so small. There's so many stories. People can be in such a dark place and they might see a testimonial of you, maybe on a bus, and you say, hey, I just saved some money. My children is using the call the teacher program, whatever, call that teacher. That can be so inspiring. Anyway, and then recognition. Now, obviously, with the POPIA Act, there's a whole bunch of stuff we have to be careful of on how we recognize people, what we're going to do. But in the back office, all of that is coming. So you'll be able to see the ranks, all that kind of stuff. It's coming. So recognition. So when you're on the call, we say, welcome. Welcome to you as a person. We're not looking at you as a money bag. We're not looking at people because they know people. We're looking at you as a person. And we want to impart what we have into you and your family. Now with emotion without direction is chaos. Look at the world. Most part of the world's chaos. There's no direction. So now emotion with purpose is transformation. If we can impart, I got a message yesterday, 1 minute, 50 seconds. I got a message yesterday from a lady that was involved a couple of months ago. And she just woke up one morning and said, you know what, I've got to get back into analytics. So I got a message. She said, hey, are you guys still there? I said, yeah, we are here. And she says, I want a link. I said, you can't take a link from me. Who did you join under? Da, 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 da. And I took her through the whole 5-step system again. This lady she talks different, she walks different. Anyway, from emotion to emotion, the action formula, you need to identify what you feel. You need to translate that into action. So fear, we're going to charge into the plan. Anger, we're going to charge into discipline. And you take one small step a day, maybe on your roadmap, maybe on a daily tracker, maybe coming to a presentation. One small step, and we're going to celebrate with you every step you take. And we're going to repeat it every single day. If you feel better every day, little bit, eventually you're going to feel a lot better. And we're going to set realistic goals. Don't aim to change the life overnight. Aim to win today. One conversation, one new follow-up. Emotions follows achievement. Small wins builds unstoppable energy. Now, consistency beats intensity. I've said it so many times. So here's a ritual. Every day, you're going to breathe deeply and look at your why. You're going to smile intentionally. That's a biochemical reset. You're going to repeat this declaration. I am energy. I am motion. I am Ananta X. and you're going to take one action step immediately tonight. Send a message, send a hello, whatever it is. And here's the truth. Most people wait for their feelings to change before taking action. At Ananta X, we act first, and through actions, emotions follows to success.